MeghalayaPost.news.
Bah Sanbor Shulai MLA ke BJP na laban bat ubadairu Menteri ke Sarkar Jala uloong balada kinoilam ke parti BJP kata ki bana Meghalaya bat Delhi ki ibit ye uban longkum Kyrtong ke BJP hakani ke election shiteng samoy banjit nang mikmat shalok sabha na shillong sin ulong ubala kloi ban longkum Kyrtong ke parti banyakun ye ki Kyrtong na kiwei pat ki parti katai ke jungkran jong Bah Sanbor Shulai baulalong ubala kloi banyakun hakani ke election shiteng samoy kadai hadian baki he nang ilam ke BJP na Delhi kila aiksa bakin sabu yo Kyrtong banyakun hakani ke election shiteng samoy na shillong sin kumba kalong menta ki he nang ilam ke BJP ha Meghalaya kila pentip sya ki he nang ilam ke BJP ha Delhi ha kabana kalyang ki he nang ilam ke BJP ha Delhi kila aiksa bala kumnu ki haban bu Kyrtong hakani ke election shiteng samoy ong Bah Sanbor Shulai haba jubab ya ke jingkali lau kwa na banyakun ya ke election shiteng samoy Bah Sanbor Shulai uloong bakum usipai bandan disiplin jong ke BJP un ngej bet kat kum ke jingpatha ke parti na Delhi bat Meghalaya compare wa lada ban let yakun ya kinu ki jing yakun Bah Sanbor lapan pauru bahak Ilekshon MP jong senam arjar khat khandai klempoi perkhat ha ka batang hapo kilai tayo ba ke parti ke betha bau dei ban long kum Kyrtong ke BJP kumta kum usipai bakongu bat bau aireng bet ha ke Ilekshon MP.
You see, based on the report from the president and other party workers, so they had a communication with our party high command and especially the in charge, Shri Anthony G. So the party from Delhi, they have given a green signal that we have to contest. BJP have to contest the election, but invitation of application we have not heard. Then yes, that day we have the foundation day, just 2 days ago, foundation day of the party, 47 for foundation day of the party. So we were there, but they said we have not. They only from the they have given a green signal to the president. So we are yet this president is yet to call the application.
But are you willing?
The disciplined soldier of the party. If the party high command or the state command came to contest, so as a disciplined soldier, I have to go to the battlefield and fight. Just to remind you, during the year 2019, unexpected, 3 weeks before the polling of the MP election, from party office at 12 o'clock midnight, they called me. Then they informed me that the mail came from Delhi that they have nominated you as the candidate for the BJP 2019. So as a disciplined soldier of party too, next day I get it prepared only 3 weeks. 3 weeks, imagine, only 3 weeks to campaign for 36 constituencies, normal, only 3 weeks during 2019. So this time though, I don't know whom the party will nominate.
MeghalayaPost.news.